Hi Barry, I thought it would just be easier to go ahead and send you a video. So I put the item in Unit 1 in your sandbox, and if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, um, well, right there it is. Here's the sample assignment, and it tells the students what they're supposed to do, and it has the link for them to go to Vocaroo to do their recording, and then they would click here to submit the assignment. So what I'm going to do is go into the student preview mode. And so this is exactly how the students will see your course. So I'll go into lessons and then Unit 1, and I'll scroll down and I'll see the link. I can click on this and it will open in Vocaroo, so I could do my work as a student and save my URL. So then when I have my link from Vocaroo, I would click here, and then I can either click the right submission and paste my Vocaroo link there, or I can put it in the comments here. So this is in the comments. And then I'll put on here, this is the written submission. Okay. And then I would click submit. And again, I'm still in the student preview mode. This is what the student will see. They will see their written submission. They will also see their comments right here. Now I'm going to exit the student preview mode. I'm going to keep the preview user data so that I can go back in as in the instructor and I can grade it. So now I'm going to go to the needs grading screen and click on that assignment. And then again, here I will see the link that the student has put in their written assignment, and then I will also see it here in the comments. So if students choose to use the written assignment, or if they just type their URL into the comments, you'll be able to access that either way, and you can copy and paste from here, or you can click on it if they post it there. So here I can get to their, I can hear their audio from there, and then I can go back in here and I can provide feedback to the learner. And then if I wanted to, I could also go to Vocaroo. I could do my own recording, click allow. I could record some feedback. I could record proper pronunciation for the students so they would have an example of where they were missing. I would click stop, click save, copy, and then I would paste that URL into the feedback box and submit that. Oh, sorry, I got to give it an attempt value here. The student didn't do very well. They're going to get a 0. Okay, I'll submit that. And now that's graded. I'm going to go back again to the student preview mode so we can look at what a student will see in their feedback. So I'd go to grades, and if we can find the sample Vocaroo assignment right here, I can see that there's a comment. I see that I have a 0 score. I see the comment. I can highlight and copy and paste that into my browser, and I can hear my instructors. So I can hear my instructor's spoken feedback, so I can say, oh, okay, I see where I made my mistake. And if I click on the assignment itself, I can hear my own submission, and I can listen to theirs, so I can kind of go back and forth and see the differences as a student. Okay, I'm going to exit the student preview mode again. And that's all there is to it, both from your side as the instructor and for the students, and that gives you that sort of back and forth listening and hearing. So